When it comes to protecting your home, few things are more important than the condition of your roof. If you're in Boise and facing leaks, storm damage, or just the natural wear and tear of time, the first step is getting a reliable roof repair quote Boise homeowners can trust. A clear and accurate quote is the foundation for making smart decisions about your home safety and long-term value. One of the biggest mistakes people make is waiting too long to take action. When damage appears, it doesn't just stay the same, it spreads. That's why getting an emergency roof repair quote Boise residents can count on is critical. Acting quickly can save you from higher repair bills down the road and protect your home from additional water damage, mold, and costly structural issues. For many homeowners, time is just as valuable as money. That's why it's important to work with a company that can deliver a fast roof quote Boise homeowners can rely on. Whether you're dealing with a sudden problem after a storm or planning ahead for needed repairs, a quick and accurate estimate lets you move forward with confidence instead of uncertainty. Of course, cost is always on people's minds. You want the best value without sacrificing quality, which is why finding an affordable roofing quote Boise is so important. Affordable doesn't mean cheap. What it means is that you'll get fair pricing, expert workmanship, and long-lasting solutions that truly fit your budget. Understanding the roof repair price Boise homeowners should expect helps you avoid surprises and compare your options wisely. Your roof is more than shingles and nails. It's the shield that protects your family and everything inside your home. The right repair quote not only tells you the price, but also reflects the professionalism and reliability of the roofing company you're dealing with. In Boise, the smart move is to start with an accurate quote and a trusted team. Need a solid quote for your roof repair? See our website, allprosroofingboise.com, for a fast quote, or call us now at 208-330-7203.